Time governs everything we experience. It flows through our memories, our aging bodies, the movement of stars, and the expansion of the universe itself. We measure it, fear it, and feel it slipping away every second. But here is the question that has haunted physicists and philosophers alike. Can time actually end? Could there be a final moment, no after, no next second, no tomorrow? Time feels simple because we live inside it. But in physics, time is not just ticking seconds. It is a dimension woven together with space into what we call spacetime. Without time, motion is impossible. Change cannot happen. Cause and effect collapse into nothing. According to modern cosmology, time itself began with the Big Bang. There was no before, because before requires time. The birth of the universe was all the birth of time. But if time had a beginning, could it also have an end? Time moves in one direction. This is called the arrow of time. It is driven by entropy, the tendency of the universe to move from order to disorder. Eggs break, but they never unbreak. Stars burn fuel, but never reverse the process. As entropy increases, the universe becomes colder, emptier, and more uniform. If entropy reaches its maximum, nothing meaningful can change anymore. And if nothing changes, does time still exist? One possible future is heat death, a universe where all energy differences disappear. No stars, no life, no motion. Time may technically continue, but it would be meaningless. A universe frozen in eternal stillness. Some physicists argue that time without change is indistinguishable from time not existing at all. If nothing happens, seconds lose meaning. Time becomes an empty coordinate with no events to mark it. Another theory suggests the universe could stop expanding and begin collapsing, a big crunch. If space-time collapses into a singularity, time itself may come to an end, just as it began. Inside black holes, time behaves strangely. To an outside observer, time appears to freeze at the event horizon. Some equations suggest that beyond this boundary, time and space swap roles or cease to exist entirely. Even if time ends in one region of the universe, could it continue elsewhere? Modern physics allows for the possibility that time may not be universal. Different regions may experience different ends. At the quantum level, time becomes fuzzy. Some theories suggest time is not fundamental at all, but emerges from deeper processes. If time is emergent, it could also dissolve. Some physicists propose that the universe is fundamentally timeless. What we perceive as time is simply our way of experiencing change along a static cosmic structure. In the block universe model, the past, present, and future all exist simultaneously. If this is true, time does not flow and therefore cannot end. It simply is. Even if cosmic time continues, time can end for observers. Consciousness relies on memory and change. When observers disappear, time loses its subjective meaning. Cosmic time may stretch trillions of years, but lived time exists only while there are beings to experience it. From that perspective, time already ends countless times. Some models suggest cyclic universes where time ends, then begins again, a cosmic reset. But evidence remains speculative. There would be no explosion, no final second ticking away. The end of time would be quiet, gradual, almost unnoticeable. Asking if time can end may be like asking what's north of the North Pole. The question may break down at the limits of meaning itself. Understanding time's fate reshapes how we see our lives. If time is finite, every moment becomes precious. If it's eternal, our brief existence becomes even more extraordinary. Time may not end with a bang, but with silence, or perhaps it never truly existed in the way we imagine. Either way, we are lucky to experience it at all. If you enjoyed this journey through the deepest mysteries of time, please subscribe and like the video. It helps us create more videos that explain the universe clearly.